breakthrough month for the drone industry, transforming strategies, surveillance, and industrial efficiencies. So we have curated a selection of top 20 drone stories from the month of July only for you. Welcome back to our channel, viewers. I'm Paulamy, your guide to the latest updates from Drone Helpline. Here are the top 20 drone stories from the month of July. This month, 2 drones received DGCA type certifications. ATVA-1 by Ubifly Technologies and Quadcopter F400 by Axldrone. DRDO has conducted successful flight trials of UAV-launched precision-guided missile ULPGM V3 at the National Open Area Range in Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh. Hall's ambitious Cat's Warrior Loyal Wingman project has officially started engine integration and man-and-man teaming data links for India's first AI-powered combat drone built to fly, fight, and think alongside fighters. India is set to acquire 87 medium-altitude, long-endurance drones for its armed forces for enhancing India's intelligence, surveillance, target acquisition, and reconnaissance capabilities across land and maritime domains. India's Kalam Labs, a Lucknow-based aerospace startup, released a lightweight UAV from the edge of space, which cruised at 20-kilometer altitude and returns with a blistering speed of 800 km per hour. Paras Anti-Drone Technologies, a subsidiary of Maharashtra-based Paras Defence and Space Technologies, secures 22 crore French order for its Chimera 200 drone counter-measure system. India launches high-altitude, long-endurance drone programs designed to serve distinct strategic needs along India's difficult and high-altitude Himalayan frontiers. DRDO's Aeronautical Development Establishment has developed Archer NG UAV, which successfully completed its high-speed taxi trials, marking a major milestone ahead of its maiden flight scheduled for August 2025. The Indian government is planning to roll out a 2,000 crore incentive scheme aimed at accelerating domestic drone manufacturing over a 3-year period. India has taken a significant leap forward in its quest for energy and defense autonomy by forging a powerful partnership with Argentina to tap into the South American nation's vast lithium reserves for powering the future of drone warfare, surveillance, self-reliance, and AI-driven defense technologies. IG Drones has been granted India's first patent for a defense drone simulator. Delhi-based DG Propulsion Private Limited successfully completed a dual-engine test run of their DG J40 micro-turbo jet, which marked a watershed moment in UAV propulsion. Aerotoms has launched Orbit Base, a professional-grade RTK base station with NAVIC integration designed to deliver centimeter-level positioning accuracy for drones, UGVs, and autonomous systems. Chennai-based Zupa Geonavigation Technologies Private Limited has secured 1.5 million in bridge funding to scale its indigenous drone intelligence solutions for defense and UAS applications. RRP Defense and Vinananu Limited partners with French firm CYGR to produce cutting-edge advanced drones in India. Hyderabad-based startup Veera Dynamics has engineered an advanced stealth material known as Rama, radar absorption and multispectral adaptive, which absorbs radar and multispectral signatures to make UAVs nearly invisible to enemy sensors. BSF and Anti-Narcotics Task Force seized Pakistani drone smuggling 1.13 kg heroin in Ferozpur, Punjab. Himachal Pradesh's SDRF delivers life-saving supplies to the remote and flood-affected region in Chanjeli, via cargo drones. The Indian Army conducted exercise Drone Prahar to evaluate the tactical integration of UAS in modern combat scenarios. Meanwhile, a high-intensity military exercise was conducted in the Thar Desert, simulating simultaneous drone attacks, cyber warfare, and infiltration scenarios. Two 20-year-old engineering students from BITS Pilani, Hyderabad has developed high-speed radar-evasive kamikaze drones for Indian Army, which are capable of carrying 1 kg payload and reaching speeds of 300 km per hour. We hope that you have liked our video, viewers. If you did, then do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. And for more such drone-related updates, keep watching Drone Helpline.